We don't need no script. I don't see any script. There's notes. There's order of service. There's these. Oh, look, you're keeping it, aren't you? Justin. Hi. Thank you for being here. Thank you for listening to your heart and following your heart where it leads you. I honor the past and every place that it's brought you from the bottom to the top. It's all welcome here. Your tears are welcome here. Your joy is welcome here. Your questions are welcome here. Your own style of understanding the God of your understanding is welcome here. Your gifts are welcome here, and your soul is welcome here. So I know you're standing here today probably because you felt some of that. But to everyone that is a member and everyone that is part of this spiritual community, we're grateful that you've stepped into another level of acknowledgement and commitment. So in Unity, membership is not required. It's never required. Giving and tithing and all that stuff is never required. Volunteering is never required. There's nothing required, in fact, which makes us a unique, unrepeatable expression of the divine. Yet, even in the midst of those no requirements, except to serve on the board, you do have to be a member for that and to be serving in YFM. But there are divine opportunities for service when you become a member, and we ask that you really contemplate for yourself what it means to you to say yes to membership. For me, I see it as a step from being a grateful receiver, like knowing that like this place is awesome and I am so grateful to be here and I get to soak this up with no strings attached, to this thing that happens inside where you say, I want to be a part of making sure that's here for the next people. I want to be a co-creator of this more consciously. I'm not even using the script. I want to be a part of paying it forward because it's done something for me. And I see something in it, and I see where my commitment can make a difference. So we honor you. We bless you. Thank you for that. This just says, please take a moment and mute your mobile phones and anything else that might make noise. Good thing I just went with the spirit of it. So in membership and unity, we just don't have a membership plan, right? There's nothing that is needed of you. If you are a member of, I don't need it, Mark, it's all right. You're amazing. It's right there on my computer, yeah. If you're a member of a synagogue, of another spiritual practice, another spiritual community, we honor that. If you have never had a spiritual community before, we honor that. There is nothing that doesn't belong here when it is of the light and of love. So we acknowledge who you are. And is everyone here in person this time? Mark, where did he go? Oh, yeah. Is everyone here in person? Okay, and the one not in person, is she on live stream or he on live stream? If so, and you're in that pod, wherever you are, feature that person and give them some love. I don't think we need this today. So would you put a lot of love in your hands? If you are part of this spiritual community, either a member or a community member, just put a lot of love in your hands. Think about what this community means to you, and think about what it means to you to have it sourced and created for you through the tithing of time, talent, and treasure. And as you get in touch with that gratitude you have for the spiritual community, I ask that you dedicate that gratitude in this moment to these beloveds and just make a commitment to them in your hearts. We see you, we support you, we appreciate you. Together, we see you, we support you, we appreciate you. And now, beloved new members, and I want to know who's on live stream. Mark, can you tell me the name of the live streamer? Oklahoma. Is it Paula and Francesca? Okay. From Florida and from Oklahoma. And then we also have Marilyn King from Arkansas. All right. And everyone else is here. And now I would ask that you all give the community a blessing. So we honor your practice, we honor your path, and we're here to hold you in light. Together, we honor your practice, we honor your path, and we are here to hold you in light. And so it is. And for those of you that are thinking about membership or wanting to become a member, but it didn't work for your schedule this time, just know that we have membership twice a year, and we are also developing one other in-person intensive membership plan. So there will be 3 opportunities to do that in the following months and times. So with that said, I'd like to have those coming up to help me, and that's why you guys are in the front row right there. All right, we have a certificate for each one, and if you would say the name of our beloveds and make sure to include our live streamers. Who's doing the names? Yeah? Okay. This is our board of trustees, by the way. Yay.
TJ Kane.
Yes, right here.
Here. You want to? That's TJ.
Susan.
And Susan, she was.
Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, Susan DeHoda, who moved here from, I think, Ohio, and then immediately started volunteering, is not here today, but we'll bless her next time.
Yes, Susan DeHoda. She's not here.
Susan DeHoda.
Susan DeHoda.
She's usually right there on the computer. Ever since she moved to town, she moved right into that seat on the PowerPoint.
Francesca Dominguez. Okay. Paula Freeman. Mark Heckler. Welcome. No. Tandy Heckler. Welcome.
Is it Tandy or Tandy? Tandy? Okay, good.
Marilyn King.
Bless her.
Rosetta Robbins.
Are we missing?
Yeah, we're missing one.
I know. Here, you go ahead and say your name out.
I'm Tracy Nightingale.
And we just got to have Coffee Connect this week. Tracy and I had a divine appointment, and maybe that's why your certificate is not here, so we can tell everybody how cool it is to have Coffee Connect time. Wasn't it amazing? Yes. Here, let's give this to you. What would you say to other people that have thought about signing up for either virtual coffee or just coming to the Fillmore Cafe once a month when we have it?
Well, I would say that after having been to services here and listening to you speak, first of all, it was good to be able to sit down with you and look you in the eye and just tell you thank you for the gifts that you've given with your words and your presence, and to be able to go to, the woman standing and speaking and ask questions, and to know that there is a mechanism that is an open, inviting, sit-down opportunity where comments, questions, inspiration has a seat at the table and is valued and is given time. And I very much appreciate that is how it operates here. And so, yeah, I would encourage anyone to do that.
We had a lot of fun, too. We did some spirit storming and some great ideas. And then I would just like to invite anyone else that would like to share anything briefly. But, Mark, I want you to include what you do here and how you go. I know, putting you on this is what I do. I don't mean to, but I do put people on the spot.
This is not an advertisement, that's
No.
for sure it is. A few months ago, Tandy and her all-knowing wisdom, got us a nice place to really kind of get together and connect. And we live just down the street, so it's super close for us. It's very convenient. So convenience is yes, got us in the door. But when she found us a place to kind of connect and kind of grow, it really felt comfortable to her. Felt like home. We've been through different religious activities and encounters, but when we got to this place, it just feels so more comfortable that you can just go up to anybody in this room and online, and just talk to them and enjoy them. And it's the nice variety of backgrounds that's really awesome too. Long story. Sorry
It's
to
a
bore
good
you.
story. We like it.
I'm not here to take up your time,
Yeah.
sorry. But if I have
No
to.
such thing, yeah.
But anyway, so we initially connected, and our practice is a health and wellness practice. We're a holistic, integrative, functional medicine practice. And I am still in my traditional Western practice, just outside of town over in Warrensburg. So my ear, nose, and throat physician, done that for 30 years. So we just started in the health and wellness scene probably 4 or 5 years ago. But when we came to Unity, it just felt so comfortable with all the grounds and the people that we also initiated our practice in the tower.
Yay.
So our practice is on the 5th floor of the tower, and I can't tell you how comfortable it is to come over here. We started out in a home base situation, out of a renovated building on our property, but it's just so much more lovely to be over here and enjoy the space, and it feels more holistic, more well, if you will, because it's not just about creating a healthy body. It's about creating a healthy mind. And if you can't have community, if you can't have connection, if you can't have the right settings to be yourself and be relaxed, you can't have a healthy mind, a healthy body. So we have started our practice over there. We're going to be here for several years, so we're not going anywhere. And we would love to see and contribute more towards the health of Unity. And we would love to figure out a way to do that.
That's
too.
wonderful, because I have too many visions all the time, and one of them that keeps knocking at me, well, 20 years knocking, but lately really knocking, is a wellness fair.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
yeah.
But I think that is someone that, Tandy's a nurse, I'm a doctor, so as somebody that's in the health-related field, we still also know the importance of spiritual connection.
Yeah.
And the relaxation, which is very hard for me, that comes with meditation, is I'm a learner. Yeah. I'm practicing. So, but Tandy's she's much more attuned to that.
Thank you.
She's much better.
Thank you, Mark.
Thank you for everything.
Thank you.
And I hope that we can meet you all.
Yes.
So,
Yes.
and also, I'm not the kind of person that can't be approached as well as Tandy. If you have questions, you can catch us in the hallway. We are happy to help out as any way we can.
Thank you. Thank you.
Well, I want to thank everyone here because, like you, everyone I talk to meets me on their level and we have a great conversation. But what this place, Unity Village Chapel, has given to me is hope, music, and bliss.
Thank you. Thank you all. We love you. We bless you. We appreciate you. Stephanie, take it away.